Good morning everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's just a quick video on how to change the T handles on the back of my on my door and my cap for my 2001 Toyota Tacoma. So it's a fairly simple job, but I'm going to do a quick video on it anyway, just in case. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't. Anyway, let's get to the video. Okay, so I've done one already. So there's the new one there. And I've got it done with the new arm and everything. So to take these out, it's a really simple thing to do. Let me just get over here and I'll show you. So I've had to cut the tab off of this one, so there's the old tab there. It was pretty rusted, I couldn't get it to come off, I had to cut it off. But to get it off, loosen this little set screw here, right? And then if it's not too rusted, you should be able to wiggle it off. You might have to use a hammer, whatever you got handy. I just used a hacksaw to cheat, but it just slides off the rod. And then you undo these two screws here, one here, and then this plastic piece will fall off, and then you pull the front one out, and that's pretty much it. Put the new one in and put the two new screws in, and then put your arm back on. Now just make sure when you do this that when you put the new one on, that when you turn it, it turns so that the tab will actually go here where it's supposed to. So make sure you got it oriented the right way. So let's take this one apart and we'll show you how to do that. I got the second screw out, so now as soon as I let this go, that'll fall right off. Sorry for bumping the camera. Then you close this up, pull that off, and there's your hole. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. And you take your new one, and again, make sure it's oriented the right way, so that when you close it, it closes the tab down. So that's the open position, so I'll put the screws in. So I got my new plastic piece right here. Slide that over the bar like that. And you put your two new screws in. Now what I like to do with mine when they're new is I like to spray a little bit of grease in here, because this part gets moisture and stuff in it. And it's easier to do it now than try to take it apart and do it later. Okay, so now you just thread in your two screws. Got one threaded in, one hand threaded in. Let's tighten that one up and then put the arm on, and then we're done. Okay, so now I'm going to put the arm on, and again when you put your arm on, just make sure that when you put it on, and when it closes, it comes out to the side and locks. Just like that. Get my fat arm out of the way, say. Okay, make sure you got that the right way, so now you put that on. You tighten up this screw here, and then you close it and test it, and you might have to adjust it by sliding this up and down the shaft a little bit, depending on how tight it is, but that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching, hope it was helpful. Today is time for a change.